Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be working on some crafts together, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today we are going to do the bead embroidery kit from Dollarama. It was $3. It is a llama, really cute. And then on the back it says there is fabric with adhesive overlay, adhesive gel, a variety of colored beads, application pen, and bead tray. So that's everything that's in here. So we're going to open it and get started. And I'm also going to use this light up tray. It came off of Amazon for $20 and it's perfect for diamond painting. So first we're going to open up the box and see what's in here. So here is the project. Really cute. And then we have the application pen, the adhesive gel, and the dish for the beads. But I already have some open, so I'll be using that from a different project. And I have my own tray, so I'll use this one. And then we have the beads that we're going to need. So they're in a Ziploc here, or in a package actually. And this project is not very big, so I'm not going to use, I thought I might need a tray to hold the beads, but the project's not really that big, so I'm just going to leave the beads in the packages and empty out per package as I needed. That's garbage. Okay, so this is A, and this is A. And then we'll just open them up as we need them. So there's all the beads that we have. And then we have a covering. Now normally when I'm doing projects, I peel up half of the plastic and then work on it. So first we're going to do the, let's see, the G. And the G is 99. So this one should be G. Yeah, it has it marked right here as G. So I'm going to pour the G into my container. Just like that. And I'm just going to do all the G's at one time. So get these beads out. There we go. So we have emptied the beads into our tray. We're going to get our applicator. And our adhesive gel. There we go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.